Welcome to Chakwa International. I am Nilamatujana speaking. This is the verbal ability and reading comprehension for the CAT, SPPO, GATE and ESC. This is the last presentation on English before CAT 2021. Here there is a comprehension. No need to quick. I collected from Jojana February 20 issue Transforming Education. You no need to read a simple passage. And at the end of it, some questions are there. The questions are here. Today there is no much audio. Audio is very limited to different subjects. After this presentation, Chakwa International will bring one quantitative, one reasoning before Friday. And after that, no presentation because the video uploaded till date is sufficient for the GATE and engineering service preliminary examination. We may bring some spot error program, but it is a very limited one. The theme of the passage: innovation is the key to the transformation in education sector. This is the theme. Education, educator must, all the options are correct. And question: you see the passage is not to only rural area, to the last mile, to the up to the end, whatever possible. Not only rural area, that is the option is wrong. D is the option, the delivery education C the wrong. Kosturi Rangan report on draft educational policy is already accepted. Public private practice considering affordability. Actually, the report seeks affordability. Not no need the affordability the main part of the new education policy. And here there are two groups in each the following sentence from the pairs of words given. Choose the one that fills the gaps most appropriately. The first words in the pair should fill the first gap. Here first obtrude, offense, simulate, control, leisure, explore, unimportant, trivial, indifference, contempt, guide, facing, waste, damaged. Unlimited and minimal. Next presentation: sentence given each question when properly sequenced from a coherent paragraph. Each sentence is labeled with a letter. Choose the most logical order of sentence from among the given choice to construct a coherent paragraph. Here option is E, B, D, C, A. If you check, it will be E means gender is certainly a contributor to social inequality, but if does not act independently of class. E, B, D, C, A you check, then question number 2. Either B, C, E, D, A. The next part of question 1 to 5. A part of each sentence given below has been underlined. You have to select the option that best replaces the underlined part. Focusing on building European links. Focusing on forging European links. As banks deposit flourished. Bank deposit swelled. Meaning flourish swells. Flourish means increase, swell also increase. 8th century revival Byzantine learning in inexplicable phenomenon. Inexplicable phenomenon or inexplicable phenomenon. Management cannot scold feel, cannot scold at will. Here the 5th, to write at random speed. To write is to write at random. Direction for question 6 to 15. Fill in the blank of the following sentence using the most appropriate words from among the options given each. Football evokes a lukewarm response that almost electrifies the nation. Next option 7, important areas and formations. 8, when children become more experienced with words as visual symbols, they find that they can gain meaning without making inaudible sound. Learning is more efficient when it is fun. It is less efficient when it is drudgery. To a greater or lesser degree, all the civilized countries of the world are made up to a small class of rulers, corrupted by too much power, and a large class of subjects, corrupted by too much obedience. Simple arithmetic tells us that there is more imitation than innovation. That's correct. Decide to stage picket in effort to make themselves heard. Science is a sort of news agency comparable in principle to other news agencies. Most politicians acquire their position by causing large number of people to believe that these leaders are actuated by altruistic desires. Everyone will admit success formula by cheap and sell dear. Sell dear means sell costly. Test your vocabulary. This is the most important part of the CAT examination, because if you know the comprehensive logic also, if you know the vocabulary, you can answer the question, because you do not know sometimes understand what is the meaning. Without meaning you cannot, whatever all the questions, your vocabulary is strong enough to be score high mark in the English section. Here test of vocabulary only, actually it is meaning to your knowledge only, because I deliberately make one sticker, one yellow sticker wrong, but the last page, second page, not last page, it is here. Language live, language means finish. You are in bad condition, not live. Language means dead condition, you are suffering. Language means suffering, not life. That is the only one, it is antonyms, not a synonymous. Synonym means same word meaning. Select a phrase connector from a given three options which can be used to form a single sentence or form two sentences given below, implying the same meaning as expressed in the statement themselves. Pick out the option which, when used to start a sentence, combined with both and above the sentence one. First, see, actually no need to repeat, because only it is simple. You can add. I have already checked. You can add. You can easily find out. Same also 3, 4, 5. Options are correct options are made in yellow sticker. Here only spot error due to page limit, due to volume limitations. I did it because I want to maximum on the spot error, but due to limitation I could not restricted myself. Spot error. He see dal, rice, veg curry are good for that. Anybody can know it is wrong. Financial industrial development are good for the north. I think social also, financial industry. Okay, but one line was missing. Sentence was missing. In the main topic, the crux of the sentence is singular. The verb and pronoun will also be singular. Here actually what you mention here, what is the main thing? What is the mentioned are good for health. We can change to more appropriate. Launch. Here this is the main part. This is the main part. So this meaning is launch. So we change to R to each. Finally, here also main part is northeast. Main part is northeast. We change to each. Kapil's team Cooperative is a single word. Cooperative not half, it will be Haj. I have swim, jog, dancing. You see, all 10 should be same. I have to swim, jog and dance, not ing, not dancing. All necessary documents should be handed over to by end of the month. With this presentation is finished. The last presentation before CAT for English. And if you like, subscribe, put the bell icon. Thank you.